Welcome to 100 Self-Love Affirmations. Let's begin. I am enough even when I doubt myself. I deserve care and attention from me first. I accept all parts of myself, even the messy ones. I honor my feelings without judgment. I am allowed to rest without feeling guilty. I am learning, and learning is enough. I deserve relationships that lift me up. I can set boundaries without apology. My needs matter as much as everyone else's. I forgive myself for past mistakes and keep moving. I don't have to prove my worth to anyone. I am allowed to choose myself first. I celebrate small wins, even if they feel tiny. I am worthy of love, kindness, and respect. I honor my journey, even when it's slow. I am proud of how far I have come. I can show up imperfectly and still be enough. I trust myself to make decisions that serve me. I am allowed to say no without guilt. I deserve peace of mind. I am not my mistakes. I am growing. I am strong enough to handle what comes. I give myself the compassion I give others. I am allowed to feel joy without explanation. I can be confident in my own skin. I am allowed to change my mind. I am proud of my resilience. I trust myself to heal in my own time. I deserve to be treated with respect. I am enough just as I am today. I am learning to listen to my body and emotions. I am allowed to dream big and pursue them. I honor my past without letting it define me. I am worthy of healthy boundaries and safe space. I can love myself without needing validation. I am allowed to celebrate my uniqueness. I am capable of creating a life I enjoy. I give myself permission to grow at my own pace. I am proud of my authenticity. I am allowed to let go of what doesn't serve me. I am worthy of happiness and contentment. I deserve to speak my truth. I can forgive myself and move forward. I am learning to trust my instincts. I am allowed to pause, breathe, and reset. I honor my emotions as valid. I am worthy of love from myself and others. I am strong even when I feel weak. I am allowed to pursue what brings me peace. I am enough just as I am. I am allowed to take time for myself. I am learning to love my body as it is. I am allowed to ask for support. I am worthy of forgiveness, including from myself. I am allowed to honor my boundaries. I am proud of how far I have come. I am allowed to choose happiness. I am worthy of self-respect. I am allowed to nurture myself. I deserve peace of mind. I am allowed to embrace my uniqueness. I am capable of handling whatever comes. I am learning to be patient with myself. I am allowed to say yes to joy. I am proud of my courage. I am enough without comparison. I am allowed to love myself fiercely. I am learning to trust my voice. I am worthy of emotional safety. I am allowed to forgive myself for being human. I am allowed to take breaks without guilt. I am proud of my efforts. I am worthy of a calm and a happy life. I am allowed to express my emotions. I am learning to be gentle with myself. I am allowed to be happy right now. I am enough when I'm growing. I am worthy of attention and care. I am allowed to let go of shame. I am proud of my resilience and patience. I am allowed to enjoy my own company. I am learning to be my own best friend. I am worthy of love without conditions. I am allowed to take small steps towards big goals. I am proud of my perseverance. I am enough even when I feel unsure. I am allowed to embrace my feelings. I am worthy of respect and dignity. I am learning to value myself every day. I am allowed to celebrate my success. I am proud of showing up for myself. I am worthy of kindness, first from me. I am allowed to feel proud of who I am. I am enough even without perfection. I am allowed to take care of my needs. I am learning to love every part of myself. I am worthy of rest and rejuvenation. I am allowed to honor my own path. I am proud of being resilient and brave. I am enough now, tomorrow, and always. A small rhyme. I'm okay, I'm learning too. I show up daily, that will do. I'm okay, I'm learning too. I show up daily, that will do. I'm okay, I'm learning too. I show up daily, and that will do. Thank you so much for being a part of this video. Until next time, bye.